Jiten is used when you meet an unknown word. You open it at school, at work, and before tests. 辞典はわからない言葉が出てきたときに使うよ。学校や仕事、テスト前にもよく開くね。It is used as a noun. The word 辞典 means a reference that lists words with their meanings, readings, and examples, whether as a book or an app. 言葉の意味や読み、用例を調べるための本やアプリだよ。語の情報がまとまっていて、必要な時に弾ける道具だね。The first kanji means words, speech, or to resign. You will see it in language-related terms and formal statements. Think of jisho and oseji. Both highlight how this character links to speaking and words. The second kanji means a standard, a code, or something classic. It appears in references and patterns. Think of koten and tenkei. These show the ideas of classic works and typical forms. This dictionary is very useful. この辞典はとても便利です。この辞典はとても便利です。Look up words you don't understand in a dictionary. わからない言葉を辞典で調べます。わからない言葉を辞典で調べます。I bring an English-Japanese dictionary to school. 英和辞典を学校に持っていきます。英和辞典を学校に持っていきます。I put my pocket dictionary in my bag. ポケット辞典をカバンに入れました。ポケット辞典をカバンに入れました。The most common synonyms of the word are jisho and jibiki. Jisho is the everyday term and fully overlaps. Jibiki is old-fashioned or dialectal and sounds nostalgic, but still means a dictionary. The most common antonym of the word is hyakkachiten, which focuses on topics and concepts, not individual word meanings like jiken.